fun brew and we are goddess. We are goddess. I think that's enough. Who cares? Hi guys, it's Ciate. Today we're doing this fun blue and brown makeup look. I hope you will enjoy it. I will start with an eye primer, and you don't need much of eye primer. And this one in particular gets quite sticky, so I will want to set it with powder a little bit, just so it doesn't grab the eyeshadow too much and makes it blotchy. I'm going to use the Fit Me powder to set it. So now that layer of powder is still sticky, but it's not going to grab your eyeshadow and pull it and make it blotchy. I have this mini eyeshadow quad, and I'm going to use this eyeshadow here. And I just worked it into like a fluffy brush. I'm just going to apply it as a kind of a transition shade all over the crease and upper part of the eye, going into the corner, just to kind of give the eye some structure, start to build that shadow around. This does not need to be precise, by all means, make it fluffy. Then I'm going to take the darker brown from here, and I'm just going to add it to the eye, mainly on the outer corner. I'm gonna leave it till about halfway point because I want to add some blue there. I'm gonna go back to my first brush just to blend the edges of that and blend here a little bit as well, so that will help us to make this blue that we're gonna put in seamless. I'm also taking a pencil brush with that brown, dark brown, and I'm going to add it on the bottom. Now for the blue that I want to use here, I'm going to mix two eyeshadows and also a highlighter layer on top. And I'm going to use this blue right here and the white. So I've added a little bit of the white into the blue to make the color a lot softer, more pastel. I'm just adding that to the inner corner. I want kind of a cut crease, but we're not really cutting it with anything. Also adding this blue into the inner corner and underneath. I'm not gonna go all the way in, so it has kind of a flow, so up top it should end a lot further than on the bottom. And make sure just to take the brown on the brush with the brown on, just to blend. You don't want a harsh line between the brown and the blue. With the same brush, I'm going to take this highlight color, and it's a blue highlight from Jeffree Cosmetics. I'm just going to dab it on top. It's not going to change a lot, it's just going to make it a bit sparkly. So that just appears a little bit brighter, a little bit lighter on the eyes. It doesn't really change much with the color, but just adding that extra sparkle, I think it complements it nicely against that matte eyeshadow. Now, before I finish the eyes, I want to put some face makeup just to see how it's looking. I'm going to use a hydrating primer. I'm going to add foundation with a beauty blender. I'm just going to use some under eye concealer. This is light reflective, so I can highlight with it. Just don't go too close to that blue because you don't want to drag it across your face unless you want to. Now I'm going to use the same setting powder and a little brush just to set under my eyes and here in the smile lines. I don't want to set anywhere else because I want the skin to be glowy. This might be too glowy, we have to see when the foundation settles more. I'm going to do the lips now because I want to wear a nude lip today and I don't want to put like too much eye makeup and then have to do something else for the lips. So I'm going to pop the lips on first. I'm gonna use a lip liner. I'm going to use a color in the middle and the gloss. I'm going to add some stuff to the eyebrows, and I'm going to use the eyebrow soap. Use it kind of against the hair growth first, just to saturate the hair, and then you can try to manipulate it the way you want. So they're properly fluffed up. I have this pomade that I'm going to add in some of the sparse areas. Now I want to add brown to the lower waterline, but only halfway through, just up to the blue. I think that looks better on the eye. I will also add a little bit of an eyeliner on the outer corner, just for definition there. Instantly opens up the eye on the outer corner and gives more definition there, because the blue is so strong in the inner corner. You need to counteract that with something. Now I'm going to put a couple of individual lashes and brown mascara. And lastly, I'm going to add Hoola bronzer. Just with a big fluffy brush, bronze up the cheek. And I'm not adding highlighter to this look. The eyes are such statement and the skin is glowing. I don't want to add highlighter here. I think it looks prettier without, but feel free to add highlighter if you would like. And I don't want to add blush either. I think it looks very pretty. That is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed. Please hit the thumbs up and the notification bell if you would like to know when I post a new video. Also subscribe to my channel for more makeup tutorials. And I will see you next time.